Hello family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S channel. In today's recipe, we are going to prepare authentic Ghanaian Wrewre soup. Yes, it's been a while since we had Wrewre recipe, so I decided to post this and have you have a taste of it. It is so amazing and I believe you want to try. So come with me and let's start cooking. So I have fresh goat meat right here that I purchased from the African market. And with this recipe, you can use any preferred meat of your choice. Since we want to make it exactly as how it is in Ghana, so we are using fresh goat meat. Like I said, you can even use fresh chicken or smoked chicken. You can use beef, you can use lamb, or even you can use just smoked fish. Alright friends, so I'm just gonna cut my goat meat into a medium size because it is too huge when I purchased this. So yeah, just go ahead and cut it into pieces. But if you like your meat in a huge way, you can just leave it like that. So next I am going to scrape the back because it is not very clean. So I just have to make sure that everything is nicely clean and looking really nice. So as you can tell right here, I'm gonna wash it twice. Yes, and I'm using warm water to do this. So this is the second time I am cleaning my goat meat. Like I said, use warm water, that way it is easier and it goes faster. So I am straining in this water right here, and next I have in here my cow feet. Okay, this is this is the fresh one. I know in Ghana they have the smoked ones, but I don't have that one at the moment, so I'm using the fresh one. And if you have the time to smoke it, hey, you can do it, yeah, but this recipe you're just gonna use the fresh one. So I'm just gonna rinse my meat really nice and very well. So next I have here a large red onion. You can use any preferred onion of your choice, and I'm just going to use this large onion for this soup. I really love red onions because it is not very sweet comparing to the white onions. They are too sweet, and when you use it to prepare soup, I think it adds extra sweetness to the soup. So I'm really gonna recommend that if you are making soup, please use red onion. Okay, this red onion is not sweet and it is perfect for every cooking. So next I have in here my garlic. I'm using the whole garlic. I really love garlic. I'm a garlic person. Yeah, but if you don't like it, you can skip it. So the easiest way and how I peel my garlic is I use my knife to place it down, and that way it gets the shell out from the garlic really nice and quick. And yeah, that's how I peel my garlic. Or if you have a garlic peeler, you can use that as well. So next I have in here my fresh peeled ginger. I really love ginger. When I use in my cooking, it just tastes really delicious. I like the flavor from the ginger. I just really love natural spice, to be precise. It's just amazing. So I'm just gonna wash some habanero peppers right here, and we're gonna use that one later. So next I have my onion, garlic and ginger ready. So I'm gonna add in here about 1 cup of water and I'm gonna blend it. So as you can see here, I just turned my stove into a medium heat and I'm adding all my meat, and I have in here 2 teaspoons of salt. Alright friends, so since goat meat is a little bit tough, so I have here my meat tenderizer, and that's what I'm going to use to cook this meat. I'm adding in here 2 teaspoons. It helps the meat gets really tender, very soft and kasa. So with this one you can also get from Aldi's. If you are close by and you have Aldi's around you, you can use it. And I'm adding here 2 tablespoons of egye, and you can get egye from African store. And I have in here my hot pepper powder, that is imokosam. And I'm adding in here as well. And next I'm going to add in here my blended ginger, garlic and onion. Yes, and I added in here just 1 cup of water to rinse my blender. Yes, this meat is smelling really nice. I like the flavor from the ginger and the garlic. So after we stirred up this soup, we're going to add in here some vegetables. So I have my fresh tomatoes, and this is a large ones, yeah, I'm using, and this is Roma tomatoes, and I have my 4 habanero peppers, and I'm adding here onion, yeah. And after that, we're going to cover this soup and have it steam for 15 minutes. Alright, family, so this is the perfect time to start roasting your Wrewre seeds. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm using about 2 cups of Wrewre, and with this kind of Wrewre, you can get some from any African store near you. So you're gonna go ahead and roast this into a very brownish color, or that's how you're gonna tell that it is done. Yeah, so go ahead and roast it. As you see the color is going to change consistently as I stir it up. Yes, the smell, no, me say the smell of Wrewre kasano is sham. Just say Wrewre kwada many. So next we're going to check our soup and see how it is doing so far. And quite in a sham say. So the way I see to know, it is smelling divine. This soup is steaming really beautifully. So I'm just gonna cover it again and have it steam for another 15 minutes. So back to our Wrewre seeds. It is ready. It is smelling really amazing. I love my Wrewre wine. So next I have in here my tomato paste. So we're not going to use all the tomato paste. This is about 16 ounces, and that is a lot of tomato paste. So we're not going to use it. We're going to use just a few of it. So just go ahead and get your tomato paste ready because we will need it later. So right now our blender is ready. Go ahead and add your Wrewre. You sham add Wrewre aye. The way I roasting I'm gonna use sham ankasa. So what we have to do is that we're gonna fill our blender with a lot of water. We're gonna fill it up until it is all the way up, and we're gonna cover it and blend it into a very smooth consistency. And after that, we're just going to strain our soup. Also, yeah, we say Reverend Quine Day. So once on so now the goose straight out. One quano any ebe guasi. And pay and quine so any guasi. We want our soup to be really perfect, tasty. It was said in quano a tough ma. Oh, obia edin in it so quana. I was said Ginny Pacone Nasi. What you say? That is the kind of soup that we want. So I strain this soup 2 times, okay? Because that is enough. That is just perfect, okay? So back to the soup, I'm just going to go ahead and remove my tomato, onion, and habanero peppers. It is cooked enough. It is looking very tender, and that is how I want it. So right now, after we remove everything, we're just going to throw the soup in there, our Wrewre soup right there, and yeah, go ahead and add everything. Don't leave anything behind though. Make sure that you add everything. And next I'm just blended my tomato, onion, and pepper, so I'm just adding in here right now. And after that, I'm going to cover it and have it cook for about 20 minutes. So it has been 20 minutes and I have my tomato paste ready. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. It is going to give your soup a very rich color, and it's kind of like a very brown yellowish look when the soup is done. So after that, I'm just garnishing my soup with some habanero pepper and bakushito. Oh, I'm telling you, Reverend Kwan without Takra dear. I just said I ain't naked. So right now I'm adding in my smoked fish. This is called Takra in Ghana, and you can get it from any African market near you. And it is looking really nice. So have this soup cook for another 20 minutes. And as it cooks, I'm gonna get my Prekese ready. This is penny the penny. This is Prekese and quine. Yes, that is what I am roasting right there. So after I roasted my Prekese, I'm just going to go ahead and add it into my soup. This is a very medicinal spice that you can add in any cooking of your choice. You can even use Prekese to prepare some stew. Yes, because this is very nutritious and it's so healthy, and I really enjoy it. It's got a very good health benefit. So after that, we're going to leave our soup to cook for 10 minutes and it should be ready. So as you can tell, nkwan aye kama, nkwan any slide yes so. And today we are going to enjoy with our delicious classic rice ball. And now say who rasi or prefer fufu krana, waiting the nkwan amani the diffu, and now say the kono, or you can even enjoy this with yams. And also you can enjoy with eba or kenke, or even whichever way that you want to enjoy with. So thank you so much for watching. This soup is a little bit similar to peanut butter soup, but the flavors are very different. They all have a very unique taste to it, and I really love peanut butter soup as well as I love my Wrewre Seeds. This is the very classic soup that you don't want to miss out. So thank you so much for watching. So what I'm going to do with the leftovers, I'm just going to pour in my bowl and I'm going to leave it in my fridge, and it can stay for at least a week, and that will be really nice. Okay, so go ahead and enjoy your soup, and thank you so much for watching. Until I see you here again, thank you so much, and stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.